Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hyla and this is H. Cooper Crafty Bug. It is mom season, so we are doing mom tutorials and mom videos. You guys can see what I'm working on and how I'm doing it, and I'm trying to share as much as I can during this very busy season. So I hope you appreciate all these videos and tutorials and lives, and I hope you will join on lives and participate with us. I hope you enjoy the video that I'm about to show you. Don't forget to subscribe and to click that bell so you will receive notifications on all my uploads, live streams, and premieres. And I hope you have a wonderful mom season. Happy mom making, happy crafting. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, be kind in the comments and in the chats, please. And I hope you will join in and have a good time. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Enjoy this video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video in its entirety. I hope you gave it a thumbs up. I hope you found it helpful and useful. And I hope that you will share it on social media because that really helps my channel grow. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and don't forget to tap that bell because that will make sure that you get notifications on all my uploads, live streams, and premieres so you can join in. If you join in on a premiere or a live, don't be afraid to get on that chat and chat with people. Everyone is very welcoming. I've made sure that I've got a community where everybody is welcoming and not being leaving people out and stuff. So, if you ever join a chat and you feel like you're being left out, please let me know so I can address that and make sure that my channel is going in the direction that I want it to go. We try to stay as drama free as possible over here and helpful and really just help each other grow and help each other learn. And that's another thing when you join a live stream or a premiere, you will find that you'll get all kinds of information from other mom makers, and we just learn and grow from each other. So it's a really wonderful community. If you're not subscribed to TJ and Connie, they are in my description. So please go over to their channels and subscribe to them as well. I've also got all kinds of information in the description. I've got links to Mom Supply stores. I've got links to Creative Fabrica, to my Amazon store. Some of the links are going to be affiliate links. And what that means is if you click on them and go to Amazon, it's not going to cost you anything extra, but I will get a very small commission from you using that link. So it's a way to give me a small tip without actually having to fork over any money. I also have memberships available if you are interested in those. Check out, just click on join and you can see the levels and the perks that you'll get with each level. I have one that's just 99 cents a month, and that's just a contributor, and you get a little picture next to your name, and that's just a way to give me a very small tip every month. If you can do that, if you can't, that's fine too. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Please click the bell. I'm going to throw up some links for some other videos, for playlists, for this channel, for another channel of mine. And, if you're interested, click on any of those. If this video is part of a series, if I'm working on like a large mom or any mom really, and I'm filming it in spurts, then I will put a playlist with all those videos and lives. So if you'll just go over and check that out. So it'll be on one of these four corners. I'll show other playlists if that's not the case with this video. If it's a braid, then I'll have it in some of my braids and chains playlists. So if you're needing any kind of videos, go over to my playlist and just click on created playlists. It's going to show all the playlists that I have created. I've got a lot of them. I've got over 1,000 videos, so I'm going to have a lot of playlists too, but just scroll through them and it's going to show different playlists. Like I worked on a senior mom for the 2023 season. A single mega is what I'm calling it, silver and white. So I tried to film the entirety of that mom, and it is all in its own playlist, but it's also in some other playlists as well if it fit the category. If you're looking for, say, like a whip braid, I have many whip braid tutorials. They're all in a playlist called whip braid tutorials. So you can find that. I've got all kinds of playlists, so please just go check that out. And you can go to my channel and look at my videos, my shorts, my playlists. Go to the community tab. I try to post regularly. I also have a spreadshirt shop, and I've got all kinds of shirts on there. I've got some with my eating, like keto and funny, like anti-vegan shirts and stuff because I'm more carnivore and keto. I also have a channel where I do share that lifestyle. So if you want to go see that, please do that. It's called Crafty and Carnivore-ish. And let's see. Oh, I also have Mum Saying. See, it's mum season, y'all. I've got that in my spreadshirt shop. I've got lots of crafting t-shirts and aprons and cups and mugs and all kinds of stuff over there. So please go check that out too. That's going to be in the description. It's also on my homepage. I have an Etsy shop. If you have questions about Etsy, I talk about selling on Etsy quite a bit too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it useful. Please comment, but please be kind with those comments, and give this video a thumbs up like I asked, and share, like, subscribe, all the YouTubey things. And I hope you all have a wonderful mum season. See you all on the next one. Bye.